All right, in this lesson, which is 8.1.5, we're going to write equations of lines. That's what we've been doing for a few lessons. And this one may be one of the easiest to do, but it does require a little memorization. This one is writing the equation of vertical and horizontal lines. All right, here's what you have to remember, is that when you are dealing with a vertical line, the equation of a vertical line is x equals some constant number. It looks like this. It cuts through the x-axis at the point. So if you had x equals 4, it would be a vertical line cutting through the x-axis at 4. It would contain the points 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, -1, and so on. And although it's not part of this lesson, I will remind you that the slope is undefined. All right, horizontal line. A horizontal line has an equation that is y equals a constant number. It cuts through the y-axis at the number indicated. So if it was y equals 3, it would cut through the y-axis at 3. It would contain the point 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, -4, 3, and so on, but the y's would all be 3's. And a reminder, the slope of a horizontal line is 0. So if it is vertical or horizontal, if it's horizontal, it will be y equals whatever the y coordinate of all the points is. If it is vertical, it will be x equals whatever the x coordinates of all the points are. So let's look at some examples. All right, problem number 1. It says find the equation of the line, use function notation. It is a horizontal line, the equation, and it goes through the point -1, -3. Now, in this one, the key is the fact that it says horizontal line. The minute it says horizontal line, you have to remember it is x equals something. Oh, I'm so sorry. The minute it says horizontal line, it is y equals something. You certainly have to get them straight. I'm so sorry about that mistake. All right, horizontal line. It's going to cut through the y-axis. It's going to cut through the y-axis at the y value. There is nothing more to this problem than remembering it is y equals and grab the y value. If I go back for a minute, you can see horizontal line, y equals a number. Vertical line, x equals a number. Of course, I made a mistake, but there we go. There's the equation of that line. Let's look at number 2. Find the equation of the line. Write the equation in function notation. The slope is 0. That is enough information to tell you that you are dealing with a horizontal line. When it is a horizontal line, it is y equals some number. All you have to do is grab the y coordinate of the point. It is y equals 11. Since it has said to write this in function notation, instead of y, you'll see f of x equals 11, and it is choice B. The x coordinate does not show up anywhere in the equation. Let's look at number 3. Find the equation of the vertical line through, and they give us a point. Okay, vertical line. We remember, we can look at our information sheet. Vertical line will be of the form x equals a number. It cuts through the x-axis. The x coordinate is -1, it is nothing more than x equals -1. You notice it doesn't say anything about writing it in function notation because vertical lines are not functions. Let's look at number 4. Write the equation of the horizontal line. Okay, we're back to horizontal. Horizontal line is y equals a number. Y equals, so grab the y coordinate. So it is y equals 2. Last one, write the equation of the vertical line. Okay, vertical line through a given point. It doesn't matter that those are fractions. A vertical line is x equals a number. Grab the x coordinate. It is x equals -7/9. It is the line that cuts through the x-axis at -7/9. So I really apologize for starting this off saying the wrong thing here. Horizontal lines are y equals, vertical lines are x equals, the opposite of what the axis is. So horizontal y equals, vertical x equals.